is crystals. So crystals are great because they are easy. You can carry a crystal in your in your pocket or your handbag. You can place it on an altar or place it somewhere in your home. You can put it on your desk at work. I mean, there's a lot of ways that you can use crystals, and nobody necessarily is any the wiser that you're using that crystal for protection. Some of my favorite crystals I'm going to share. There's lots of crystals that are used for protection, but there are some that I am particularly attracted to, and I'm going to share my favorites with you so that you have that list. And you can start there and do your research. Look in one of the many crystal books. We sell lots of crystal books at our shop, Parlor of Wonders, but look in any crystal book and you'll find lots more as well. First one I want to share is obsidian. Those black crystals are fantastic, like obsidian, because they absorb negativity. So if you're in a place that is kind of bristling with some negative energy, bring in obsidian or any of the black stones. We're going to talk about a couple more. Those are really, really great for drawing in and containing and reformatting that negativity so that you don't have to deal with it. So it protects you by absorbing the negativity that already exists. Hematite has that same quality. It's a very grounding stone. It's dark, kind of shimmering gray, sometimes can be a little almost iridescent gray black. Hematite is also very absorbing, can really take on a lot of negativity and absorb it. So if you're in a negative environment, that's another great one to use. Another one that's one of my absolute favorites is amber. Amber is it's petrified tree sap, basically. Amber is a beautiful stone. It's like my family stone, what we use traditionally in the part of Ukraine that my family's from. Amber was used as a tool for protection, and we would wear it as necklaces, rings, jewelry, and so on, but mostly as necklaces. So sometimes you'll see me wearing an amber necklace. This is great because it's not only beautiful, it's a very warming stone. It's got this kind of, almost, I feel like it's got a little bit of a hug to it, like it's hugging you and protecting you. The amber energy is gorgeous. Believe it or not, amethyst is great for protection. We often think of amethyst as being a love stone or higher consciousness stone, but it is also great for protection. It really is often called in for psychic protection, and I love that energy. So if you're being psychically attacked or you need to just sort of cleanse, clear, and protect yourself, amethyst will work beautifully. Black tourmaline, probably black tourmaline is one of the most famous protection stones. Black tourmaline is phenomenal for, again, black stone, drawing in that energy, absorbing it and taking it in. Remember that the color black is about absorption. It absorbs light. So it absorbs any negativity that comes in. And so it's a fantastic stone for that. Bloodstone is another strong stone. It's really got an energy of protection. Bloodstone has this quality of like fiery protection to it. And so that's a great one for doing that. Clear quartz, typical clear quartz, everybody's probably got one. Clear quartz is great for protection. It breaks it up and scatters it, sends it away. So if you want your kind of crystalline, clear, cleansed energy, you can bring a clear quartz into the scenario and you'll have great fortune with that. Citrine is great. Citrine is great as an overall protection stone, but in particular, it's great for protecting your finances, your possessions, your material world items. So like if you want to protect your home, your car, your money, your bank account, whatever, citrine can be great for that. Howlite is another one that's very protective. I love howlite. It's this white stone with little gray veins going through it. It's a beautiful stone that's used for protection. Again, has that clearing and cleansing energy along with the protection. Jasper is also fantastic, and there's lots of different kinds of jasper, lots of different colors of jasper. Jasper is really good, strong, energetic, kind of puts a ring of fire around and really keeps out the negativity. Labradorite is another one that's fantastic for protection. Beautiful, shimmering, iridescent labradorite, beautiful for protection, and you can bring that in. It protects against what I want to call like bad intentions. If you have somebody that's got bad intentions, they're gossiping about you or doing something like that, that labradorite will dispel that.